Have you ever wondered where peace truly exists? Not on Earth with its noise and chaos, but somewhere far beyond the reach of war, politics, and pressure. Imagine if we could take a step away from everything, from the endless notifications, the blaring sirens, the relentless pace of modern life, and float into the most tranquil corners of the cosmos. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine drifting in space, where silence isn't just golden, it's infinite. Welcome to a journey unlike any you've taken before. Today we invite you to explore the most peaceful places in the known universe. A voyage across silent moons, tranquil planets, and the gentle glow of distant nebulae. Places so still, so calm, that time itself seems to take a breath and pause. Our journey begins not far from home. Above us, orbiting quietly, is the moon. Not just a silver ornament in our night sky, but a true haven of silence. Imagine standing there. No wind, no water, no hum of insects, just stillness. The kind of stillness that lets you hear your own breath, your heartbeat echoing inside your helmet. The Earth hovers above the horizon, a blue marble suspended in darkness. From here, all of humanity's noise is 384 to 400 kilometers away. Astronauts who've stood there speak of a silence so pure it redefines solitude. And yet, there is comfort in that quiet. A kind of peace you don't just hear, you feel. But we must go further. Let us drift past Mars, sail beyond Jupiter, and glide past the rings of Saturn. We arrive at Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons. Beneath its frozen surface, an ocean slumbers, warmed by tidal forces deep within. It sprays plumes of icy water into space like gentle sighs. There are no storms here, no tectonic tantrums. Just a frozen world breathing quietly beneath its icy crust. If peace could be bottled, Enceladus might be the label. Now let's journey beyond our solar system. Let's visit TRAPPIST-1e, one of the most Earth-like exoplanets discovered, orbiting a cool red dwarf star about 40 light-years away. Though we can't be sure, scientists believe it could host liquid water and even a temperate climate. Imagine standing on its surface. The sky may be tinged in soft hues, painted by a dim red sun that never blazes, only glows gently like a candle behind a curtain. Here, if life exists, it would be quiet, adapted to the softness of its star, moving slowly, cautiously. There is peace in that possibility. Let us venture further to a place where stars are born, the Orion Nebula. Here, amidst clouds of gas and dust, new suns are ignited. Yet, this celestial nursery is no place of violence. Instead, it is serene, a slow unfolding of brilliance. If you could float here, in the middle of this glowing cloud, you would see colors that defy language. Pinks that blush like first love, blues deeper than oceans, and violets that seem to hum. Stars twinkle into life here, not with explosions, but with the slow gathering of dust and time. In the Orion Nebula, creation is quiet. It whispers. Now we travel even further out, to the Boötes Void. This is one of the loneliest places in the known universe, a cosmic desert, 330 million light-years across, nearly empty of galaxies, stars, or even atoms. It is vast, dark, and hauntingly calm. Some call it the Great Nothing, but perhaps that's unfair. Because in its emptiness, there is no conflict, no collision, no noise, just the eternal drift of space. It's peace in its most extreme form. The kind of quiet that might seem scary at first. But the longer you float in it, the more you begin to feel free from gravity. free from expectation, free from time. Let's take a detour, not in space, but in time. Imagine the universe billions of years from now. The stars have aged. The galaxies have drifted apart. The cosmos is dimming. There are no wars because there are no civilizations left. Just cold, slow-moving remnants of stars and planets. Some may find this idea bleak, but perhaps it is the final piece. A resting place for the universe after a lifetime of movement and light. A cosmic sigh. The ultimate silence. But our journey isn't meant to end in sadness, because in this grand silence we find perspective. The universe isn't just explosions and supernovas, it's also delicate, gentle, graceful. And just as we find chaos and destruction, we also find harmony, stillness, beauty. Think of the Lagoon Nebula, where interstellar dust glows softly like embers in a fire, or the tranquil surface of Pluto, where mountains of ice stand undisturbed for eons, or Titan, Saturn's largest moon, with its methane lakes and thick orange haze holding on to secrets in perfect stillness. Each of these places tells a story, not of noise but of rest, of solitude, of balance. Maybe the real question isn't where the most peaceful places in the universe are. Maybe it's this. Can we learn something from them? Can we, in our chaotic world, filled with deadlines and drama, find a moment to be more like Enceladus or the Boötes Void? Can we quiet our minds, breathe deeply and simply exist? Because peace, you see, isn't just something out there in the stars. It's something we can carry with us, something we can find if we're willing to slow down and listen. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this journey. Remember the calm of the moon, the stillness of distant exoplanets, the quiet birth of stars in glowing nebulae. And remember that somewhere in the vastness of everything, peace is not just possible. It is real. It is waiting. It is watching. And maybe, just maybe, it is already inside you. Thank you for coming on this journey. If you found peace in this story, imagine what other wonders the universe holds. Subscribe for more cosmic explorations, and until next time, stay curious, stay calm, and keep looking up.